Here at Jackson Systems, we run pfSense for our router and firewall. We currently run it on this Dell 310 server. We don't need to run it on this sort of server anymore. Yes, we have things like pfBlocker-ng running on pfSense. It doesn't really take that much horsepower. I imagine this T310 is actually sapping some power. We just don't need pfSense on this sort of server anymore. So we're actually replacing it with this system, which we've just built. It's about 3 days old. It's running the J3355-B motherboard, which is there. It's the ITX integrated board. We put a dual NIC card in. At some point we're going to probably replace that with the quad NIC. I believe the quad NIC is in there. I believe that's got 2 quad NICs in it. So yes, come Saturday we're going to be replacing the T310 with this. This will be much more lower power, lower footprint in the actual server cabinet as well. So we'll be doing that at the weekend, and I'll give you an update of how it goes. It's the latest version of pfSense Community Edition. We're quite happy running that. We've been running it since, crikey, I wouldn't like to imagine how long I've been running pfSense, but many years. Very happy with it indeed. So yeah, that's coming on Saturday, and I'll do a quick update on Saturday to let you know how it goes. But yes, that really doesn't need to be running pfSense anymore. It's having a few issues as well. It keeps rebooting randomly throughout the day. Does it multiple times as well. I'd rather just rip and replace the system, if I'm honest. And we're going to do a general cabinet tidy as well at the weekend. We're replacing that Dell, which currently runs Proxmox. We're going to be putting a couple of servers in rather than just have the one. This is all backed up to the Synology, but for replication and things like that, we're going to be putting in another server. But for now, let's concentrate on pfSense. We'll get this done at the weekend and we'll see how it goes. Thanks.